Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with us a very powerful cleansing spell that you can use to remove evil in your body. A very powerful cleansing spell that you can use to remove stagnation, delay, rising and falling, barrenness, leaking pockets, hatred. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipe, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages. Messages that will draw you closer to God. Messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem. Messages that will help you to defeat your enemies. Using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created. Harnessing their spiritual powers, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration. In manifesting my spiritual tips on here. So if you are just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube. You might be a soul saver to someone who is out there that is needing this kind of message. And for those of you who are my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, for those of you who has blocked me this far, you know who you are. Those of you who has been calling me, patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials. What of those of you who has been testifying what God is using my words on here to do in their life. Those of you who has been sending me Christmas gift, even though we are not in the Christmas date yet. I pray for you that as the sun has risen from the east to the west, and nothing could stop the sun from rising, nothing will stop you from reaching your goals, and so shall it be. Without wasting each and every one of your time, let us go to the recipe of today on how you can do this spiritual cleansing to remove evil utterances, to remove evil forces, to remove evil enchantment and incantation of the enemies against your life, against your family. All you will be needing on this recipe is coconut. For this cleansing that will remove evil spirit from your life, this cleansing that will remove hatred, this cleansing that will remove rising and falling, this cleansing that will remove leaking pocket, this cleansing that will remove stagnation, this cleansing that will remove barrenness of any kind, this cleansing that will remove rejection, this cleansing that will remove leaking pocket, all you will be needing is one coconut. Another item you will be needing here is your Fanta. Fanta is a sweetener. Fanta opens doors. Fanta liberates and heals. Fanta removes blockages. Fanta removes evil marks. Are you watching me on here and you want your things to be sweetener? You can use Fanta and sugar and egg to go to the sea to talk to the guardians of the river for them to solve your problem for you. Fanta possesses a lot of power. We call it Obanje drink. So you will be needing Fanta. Another item that has the power to banish evil spirit, to remove evil spirit, is your clove. You will also be needing clove powder or clove stick, any one you can get. These three items is what we are going to be using in this powerful cleansing to remove evil spirit, to remove evil enchantment, utterances, failure, disappointment, wretchedness, rejection, and hatred. But before I go in to tell you the direction on how you are going to use these three materials for your liberation, I would like to introduce my product because it's called Walk and Chop. On this channel, we have our product that is locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it from Europe, from America, from South America. It has been testimony galore. So if you are just joining us for the first time, remember my name is Brother Chima and I'm a spiritualist. And we have our spiritual materials for sale. Please listen very well so that you can grab your own copy. We have the road opening soap. If there's a lot of blockages on your way, when you are using this soap to take your bait, before 1 week, those blockages will be removed and you will be receiving favor from all angles. We have the road opening soap. Yes. We have the curse-breaking soap. If you are under activities of any cause from your maternal side, from your paternal side, inherited cause that you have inherited from your foundation, or cause that you have afflicted by yourself, when you are using this soap to bathe, that cause will be broken. We have the harm me not soap. A lot of people are against you. Some people want to kill you. Some people want to harm you without you knowing it, without you doing them anything. If you are using this soap to take your bait, no matter the arrow they throw on you, it will never come to your dwelling. We also have the favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. And we also have the curse breaking soap. If you are under manipulation of any cause of any man or any woman that is having effective in your life, when you use this curse breaking soap to bathe, it's going to break every cause of any woman or any man in your life. We also have the Equibus Datus, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Have you eaten something in the dream and they have become affliction of the devil? You have had sex in the dream. They have fed you with poison in the dream, and since then, some things are crawling inside your head. You are hearing strange voice. Something is moving inside your heart, moving on your tummy, moving inside your pekus, crawling from your head to your toe. We call this moving object. And I have the antidote. No matter how many years it has lasted in your body, I don't want to know. No matter who has given you medicine, no matter who have given you medication, my medication is 100% tested and trusted. Equibus Datus, the anti-witchcraft poison and movement object remover. I have to beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. All you need to do is to place an order for this moving object remover. My number is +2347088136610. +2347088136610. That is my number. We ship all part of the whole world with DHL, EMS, FedEx. If you place an order within the interval of 4 to 5 days, your order will get to your doorstep. Also, we have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. We also have the Call Money soap. We also have Deliverance soap. We have the Mercy and Favor soap also. We have the Pancane oil, original honey, alligator pepper. We have the protection bracelets, attraction bracelets. Each and every of these products are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it and it has been testimony galore. So if you need to contact me, if you need to talk to me, if you need to communicate with me, my number is on the screen. Chat me on WhatsApp and God bless you. But if you don't get me on WhatsApp, you have to be patient because I have a lot of message to reply. It's turn by turn. When it gets to your turn, I will reply you and I will solve your problem for you. God bless you. And don't hesitate to call me if you are having any spiritual challenges. Without wasting each and every one of your time, let the cat out of the bag. Upon this spiritual cleansing that will remove evil energies, that will remove stagnation, that will remove disappointment, that will remove backwardness, that will remove blockages, that will help you not to fall sick, that will remove attack of the enemies. All you will be needing is one coconut. You can make it 4, depending if you have money. And we all knows, as coconut water, as coconut, there is water inside the coconut, remains mystery. So shall your destiny, so shall your success remains mystery in the presence of your enemies. So we are going to use the water and the power that God has given to coconut. And we are going to harness it for this cleansing. So what you are going to do when you get your coconut, like this, one single coconut, the spiritual benefit of coconut is much. I don't want to go into it because of time. Coconut water is good for cleansing the body. Coconut water is good for cleansing the mind, the soul. Coconut has a lot of benefit. Now let me tell you, I write this down. The coconut resembles the head, the outer layer of hair. Inner shell shows our skills. The fat part shows our bodies, while the water is our blood and our spirit. So how to use coconut water for your spiritual energy to destroy the enemies? When you get it, don't open it with hammer. Open it from the eyes for the spiritual work to work. Then open it and pour it inside a white bucket. Then you bring your Fanta that is a sweetener. Open it and pour it inside that same coconut water. Then you bring your clove, the powdered one or the stick one. If you are going to use the stick, you use 24. But if you are going to use the powder, you use 1 teaspoon and add into the water. Then when you add into this mixture of water, keep it for good 1 hour. This recipe is best done early in the morning by 4 a.m., 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. You can do this, you can prepare this at night and wait for it to come in the morning. Now, before you use this recipe, as you have joined the power, the 3 powers, you are harnessing the 3 powers of these spiritual materials. The power of coconut, the power of Fanta, the power of garlic clove. You are harnessing the 3 powers together in order to remove evil spirit, evil blockages, in order to cleanse negative energy that is holding you backwardness, that is causing stagnation, that is causing leaking pocket, that is causing rising and falling, that is causing envy, that is causing hatred. Prepare this water. And when it is that time for you to take your bait, you have to bend down and hold it. Put it in between your 2 legs and you begin to pray. As it has remained a mystery that no one knows how coconut carries water inside of it, so shall it be a mystery. My enemies will never see me. My enemies will never stand against my success. My enemies will never stand against my promotion. My enemies will never stand against my marriage. I am using this recipe to remove every evil blockages, every disappointment, every failure, every wretchedness, every rising and falling, everything causing hatred, everything making me to suffer like an elephant and eating like an ant, every utterances of any man, every utterances of any woman, every enchantment and incantation of any man, any woman coming from my paternal side, my maternal side, from where I live. Is it coming from my neighbor? As I use this recipe to take my bath, I remove every evil spirit in my life. I remove every stagnation in my life. I remove every disappointment, every failure, every sickness, every barrenness of any kind in my life. And so shall it be. My brother, my sister, use this water and take your bait from your head to your toes. Use it and take your bait. Then after that, you are good to go. Remember, when you are taking spiritual bait, you don't need to clean your body. You can take your normal bait in the morning. After taking your normal bait, you can then use this water and pray. And use it to rinse your body, allow it to dry inside your body. This will remove evil spirit. This will remove stagnation. This will remove blockages. This will remove any demon and assignment. This will remove rejection. It will remove hatred. And so on and so forth. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand that I say on here, don't hesitate to chat me on WhatsApp, to ask me a question, or write it on the comment section, as I am open to communication. My number still remains +234 7088 136610. That is my number. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to like and to comment. And if you have any suggestion that will help us to move forward, that will help this channel to grow forward, if you have any suggestion, please put it on the comment section. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.